Hello friends and car enthusiasts.
This video is about a BAG 89 BMW E30 tuning project built by Abe. So this BMW is on air ride suspension. Owner tried to restore this BMW, change color, change and buy only OEM parts and try to make a simple clean look.
Owner of the car want to show his tuning story for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, don't hesitate and ask in comment section below, and also you will find in description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make a new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Leave your answer in the comment section below. What change would you make to this car to make it look better? What do you think he is missing? Do you think it will look better with another change? What change?
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland.
Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in description all you need to contact me.
I'm in a tropic club.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.